Hi, my name is Steve Stahl. I live in kind of the top of New Jersey near the Ramapo River. We have a little under an acre here, so after watching years and years of HGTV and seeing nothing that represents G in it, we decided to maybe do some little episodes from our own yard. We hope you stay tuned and follow us as we garden. We're gonna make a lot of mistakes. You'll probably laugh with us. Again, I'm not an expert in this, so you're gonna see some things that you don't quite do right. We hope you come back and see us next time. I don't have the looks or the voice of Mike Rowe, so hopefully you'll tune in just to see Jersey stare at the neighbors. There's a lot of cool plants in this world, and we like to have some of those in the garden as well. And we hope you stick with us. Big year in the garden. This is a really cool plant. One unfortunate thing with video is you cannot smell this, but this is amazing. You can never have too many plants, and I will find a home for it. Here we go. I'm not lying. There's a bee. He's gonna tell you that he loves these flowers. You can see all the butterflies enjoying the blue mist. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's little tiny native bees, little green bees flying everywhere. So I believe May 5th is a Naked Gardening Day. We will not be participating in that, much to the satisfaction of probably anyone who would tune into this channel. Just saw a bald eagle fly over the backyard. That's a first. It's a keeper. This is what the first day of spring looks like here in northern New Jersey. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go in and track probably some mud and snow into the house. Get yelled at, that's always fun. But if you're a salamander or an earthworm or a wood frog or numerous insects and even songbirds, leaf litter is a big deal. They'll be tuning in all around the country to watch this episode. As you can see, he is very tame. I could drop a worm down there and he'd eat it. I don't have a worm here. Let's see. And look at that. I just turned over that rock, and that is a salamander. What's your favorite bug? And I've got my Pepsi. I'm only saying that because hopefully later on Pepsi can sponsor us. Did you ever get hot sitting in the sun? You have to get an idea.
It looks like Sasquatch.
Look at the size of this patch.
It's huge. It's ginormous.
I'm not exactly a small person.
Is your worst fear snakes?
Let's make a deal. I'll start planting things over there on the other side of the fence in the woodlands if you stop coming in here and eating the stuff in here. Okay. Okay. Hopefully, this will inspire you guys to plant your own because I'm just like a little kid. I am always planting plants, collecting caterpillars, collecting eggs, and planting more plants to attract more butterflies.
Look at, he's like the butterfly man. My dog is jealous.
Was him? Oh, I don't like those. I have been butterfly gardening for decades. No study, no schooling, just testing here and there. And now I have my trusty companion Jersey to help me. Right, girl? Have someone who wants to join us. I started this video without telling her. Sorry. Would you like to come out? Okay. Come on.
She knew where to go.
Jersey will tell you right now, she also likes the leaves on the ground. Loves them. That's what she's saying right now. Just want to show you, those are the deals out there. 50 to 75% off at some of your nurseries. Get it out there. And if you haven't thought of doing a butterfly garden.
Yeah.
Look at Jersey's already calling it a day. Wait a minute, where are you going? You don't watch this? Mommy's making something. No? You're not gonna go and lay on the couch? Okay, go ahead. Puppy, let's call an end to this video. Anyway, do we have a recommendation on the Ligularia rocket? Okay. If you hear the sound of water, it's not a creek. Jersey,
There she goes.
you are...
Too funny.
Jersey, come here. Share this big pump with me. Come here. Come here, girl. What do you think, Jersey? No, Jersey. No. Thank you for removing my planting sticks. You are so helpful.
Oh my God, she's got a whole mouthful.
She's bringing a whole mouthful of twigs.
What do you got, girl?
Jersey, that was mine. Are you building a nest? Kelly has a rule. No mushrooms in the house. She used to tell me and Chelsea that when we would go out just taking pictures of mushrooms, they freak her out because she read a article in the paper how someone killed their whole family by eating wild mushrooms. This is Kelly,
Hi.
my lovely wife.
You're like a child.
So,
6'4" child.
Kelly,
What?
would you like to walk the yard with me?
Sure.
Kelly, what's their names?
Lucy and Ricky.
Lucy and Ricky. And by the way, Kelly named the Robins Fred and Wilma.
You are a very bad influence.
Because I don't have my safety glasses on.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering who was going to say that. I have them in my pocket.
Kids, don't try that at home.
Yep, and I poked my eye out with my safety glasses, putting them on. Okay, how's that?
Much
Sunglasses,
better.
safety glasses.
Much better. I'm not so sure I volunteered.
You did. It was a weak moment. But you did.
I must have felt really bad for
You were like, sure, I can do these for you.
I'm not going anywhere near poison ivy.
You're the one you're standing on?
No, don't do that. Look at the face. It's like an alien. I am an alien. You started filming and of course I have an itch on my nose. I can't get it.
What? Okay. Did you get the itch?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Well, there's three kinds of people in regards to
There's
gardening.
3 kinds of people and you're holding up 2 fingers.
No, well, no.
All I can think about is, I saw a red mist.
Oh, the other woman. The other woman. So today, honey,
Yes.
we're gonna weed the front butterfly beds.
I know everybody watching is so jealous.
They are?
Yeah,
Okay. This is fun stuff, right, hon?
I'd be jealous.
Yeah, you're excited for this, right? This is really the first time me and you have gardened together.
Yeah, can we get on with it?
Okay.
So next time you get something, you're gonna read the instructions?
Oh, I thought you were talking about marriage. Do we think she can do it?
Is this a teaching video or are we just gonna work?
Well, you gotta have some type of entertainment value in entertaining and teaching. Perfect. Oh, Jesus. That was almost, I don't know if I got that on the video. But no, wait, stop. She almost went head first in the flower bed, first time.
We've had lots of berry plants. We had elderberries, we had strawberries, we got blueberries, we had blackberries.
Why are you talking that way?
Right? Did I get all that
Yes.
right? And have we ever eaten a berry from
Not
this yard?
once. It's like you have a bouquet there. That's right. Let's see. It's like the Carol Burnett show. I feel like, what's his name? On the Carol Burnett show. All you're doing is laughing. They really do look all the same. No, that's right next to it. Right, your hands on it. You had it. No, back. Look, I've already been working in the yard.
And I just cleaned inside. I just cleaned the kitchen and the family room, and you better not come in and put your grubby hands.
Why are you going so far back?
Because I got to get the plant in. It wasn't getting your whole body in the plant. It was just getting
So
the...
I am back.
Honey, when I say I love you, that means I love all of you.
The ground.
Get it off of me! Get it off of me! Get it off
So we wanted to thank all our viewers. We had a great year. We're a relatively new YouTube channel, and we've gotten a lot of subscribers, and we appreciate the feedback. Okay, folks, you put up with enough. We'll see you next time.